Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we are talking about automotive news. If you don't know Automotive Inc., we do everything automotive, whether it's car repairs, how-to videos, car reviews, etc. and so forth. So if you don't mind, before we get started, smashing that subscribe button, thumbs up at the end of the video, and notification bell so you know I'm posting new content. Now, if you do go over to the channel, you can go up to the search bar of the channel and type in whatever you want. Subscribing is free. It just gives you the insight. So if you're more of a car info news person, it's there. Reviews, it's there, so on and so forth. Now, recalls do plague a lot of vehicle manufacturers. Nobody is immune. As we know, Ford and Stellantis are racing to see who can push out the most recalls recently. This one's coming from an unlikely culprit. GM is issuing a recall, and I'll tell you if your vehicle is associated. Now, you can always go to the NHTSA website, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website. I'll link it below, and check and see if any or all of your cars are under any type of recall. Now, recalls are typically free. If it is a safety concern, it's typically free to rectify, even if you're the 19th owner. If the recall is still active and a remedy is available, more than likely it's free, but definitely check with your manufacturer. Now, GM's newest recall involves the Sierra 1500. And this involves potentially maybe even the HD truck. It is for the 22 model year. They are recalling 71,000 trucks because their grille upper trim is flying off, potentially causing an accident, damaging the vehicle. And Lord only knows most people's reaction when they see a bird hit the windshield or grill. If your grill flies up, the top little air deflector piece, that could be worrisome. So, is your car affected? Well, they're saying right now that this only affects the trucks in the 22 model year that have a chrome grille. So if you have the black grille, ATX, elevation package, whatever, your vehicle may not be affected. However, you can go check that on the NHTSA's website. They're saying they received over 1,200 complaints about this trim piece flying off, and they haven't had any reports of injury or accidents, but damage is definitely the potential. So 71,000. And right now, basically, they're saying that there's a stop sale on 22 used trucks from GM, and potentially it could expand even further. We usually get this where it expands even higher and higher until they can check it and see. Now, they're working on the remedy to do the procedure. Will be done free of charge. However, vehicle owners won't be notified till March 24th if their vehicle is under this recall specifically. So my suggestion to you is to head over to the NHTSA website, check that out. It is safe. You can plop your VIN in there and see if your vehicle or vehicles fall into any type of recall situation. And I would tell you this, guys, try and make the appointment. It's hard to be without your vehicle, but try and get these fixed just in case you keep it forever or you intend on trading it. It's nice that the next owner will have that fixed, because otherwise it may just become a price thing where they're going to have to pay if they're not aware of it, or they don't update the registration with GM or anybody else that's attached to GM specifically, because they typically will send out the letters only to whoever's the original owner or the person that's actually registered. So 71,000 GMC Sierra pickups with chrome grills. You might want to put some tape on that bad boy until you can find out if and when your vehicle's under the recall. Guys, I appreciate you stopping by, and we're going to catch you on the next one.